Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I attended a wedding at my hometown when I was there on summer vacation. So I'm going to talk about wedding today. So my topic today is celebration. So I'm going to talk about celebration today. So there are lots of celebrations which goes on before the wedding. Right, there are lots of things which is there in our Indian tradition or culture which we do celebrate before the wedding, and I'm going to talk about those festivities and those celebrations today in this session. Now here what you can do is you can also start taking up any celebration which you have attended, any festivities, any occasion, any wedding, any ceremony which you have attended, and you can start speaking about it, or else you can just speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me. Right, there are lots of things you can do, and that is why I've come up with these practice sessions which are very simple and basic, connected to our daily activities or daily life, so that you can relate to it and you can talk about it very easily and effortlessly. So let's get straight into the topic. So the first celebration which I attended was a haldi ceremony, and of course we all had planned a lot beforehand. What we are going to wear, dress, jewelry, accessories, how the stage will look like, what the bride is going to wear. So there are lots of preparation which goes into it. So I decided to wear something which has yellow in it. So my dress was more of golden color and it has an orange dupatta. And we all wore floral accessories, like it was made out of flower. The bracelet and the earrings and the mang tika, everything was made of real flower. So we wore that during the function. There were a lot of photo sessions also, so we have to be camera ready as well. The bride came on the stage and everybody has to apply some haldi on her hands or face, wherever, just a bit. It was just a ritual which we had to follow. So everybody came up and they applied some haldi on her arms and hands a little bit. And this was all about the ritual or the custom or the tradition which was followed during the haldi ceremony. So it was a big family gathering. All the relatives and family and friends were there. They all attended the function or the celebration. And everybody got a chance to apply haldi. And then it was followed by dinners. We had a hearty dinner at that day as well, with lots of photographies and videography. So it was fun to be a part of such gatherings or such celebration. And I attended this ceremony after a very long time. I think the last I attended was my brother's wedding, which was three and a half years ago. So I don't usually get to attend these kind of ceremonies every now and then. So this was an occasion where there was a wedding and it was summer vacation and we planned to attend it. And we had a great time there. The next day we had mehndi ceremony. This was in the morning. So again, we all got dressed up in green color, in the shades of green. So everybody has their own shade of green. So we got dressed up and we went to the venue. Again, the bride was there on stage and we started off the function by applying some mehndi on our hands, and then the professionals took over. So the professionals were there to apply mehndi on the hands and legs of the bride. So it was just a ceremony or a tradition or a culture which we had to, all the sisters had to sit and they had to apply a dot of mehndi on the hands. So we did that, and then we handed it over to the professionals to apply the henna. And then there were other professionals also were there to apply henna on other people's hands or other women's hands. There were lots of ladies there and everybody got a chance to get the mehndi done on their hands. So this was also a fun thing to do. Every woman loves to apply henna on their hands or mehndi on their hands. And this was an occasion where, people love to, right? So along with the bride, every other female who were present at the venue got a chance to apply henna on their hands. And we all were very happy. Well, it takes a lot of patience because you have to sit for some time. It takes some 15-20 minutes or half an hour for the profession to apply henna on your hands. If you want to have it on your both hands, depending on if you want to have on one hand or both the hands, and front and back, there are lots of things there. So you can decide according to your patience. I have very less patience. So I just applied on one hand there, And then when I came back home, so I had somebody who was good at it. So I asked her to apply henna on my other hand when I was free. So I can't sit for a long time at once. So what I did was I applied on one hand, and later when I got free in the evening, I applied it on the other hand. So it was convenient for me and I enjoyed it. So these are small acts or activities or festivities or celebrations which add to the spirit or which add to the vibe actually, the environment, the vibe, the feel actually. So haldi ceremony, mehndi ceremony, these are really a part of the wedding festivities which we all love to attend and we all love to celebrate, right? So let me know in the comment section which wedding festivity you love to attend and you love to celebrate. And if you have attended any, how do you talk about it? So this is a very small initiative of mine to help you to start speaking in English about your day-to-day activities or everyday activities or your daily life events which happen, which we experience or which happens to us, right? So we all have attended these things. We all have been a part of the celebration. So let's talk about it in this. If not, you can just shadow with me or repeat after me or speak with me, right? And if you want to add something, you're free to do that. You can definitely add your own thoughts here. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. But if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.